I just want to point out something that could be of interest to you. The area of a triangle could be written in a different way. Let's take a look at how we find area of a triangle. Well, usually we take our base, which is our b in this case, times the height, and we take half of it, right? So half base times height. But what's our base? In this case, our base is b, but h is not always given. So what if h is not given? Well, sine of a is equal to h over c, meaning h is equal to c sine a. That's one way of looking at it. Or you could also look at sine of c, and that would be h over a, which tells us h is a sine c. So we have two different representations for h, so that leaves us two formulas. Either we can say half b c sine a, or half b a sine c. So what if you have to find the exact area of this? Well, we don't have a height, but we can find the height. Remember, you can always find the height if you're given this angle. In this case, h is going to be found by taking sine of 60 and equating that to h over 3, which will be h. Multiply that by 3, and that'll move over here, so that'll be your 3 sine 60. So you have area is equal to half times base times height. And so you don't really need to remember this formula, but rather remember this approach as something that can be useful. So that's 4 times 3, so that's actually 12 sine 60. And because they asked for exact values, we could type in 12 sine 60 and we'd get some crazy decimal, 10.39, but that's not exact. How do we find the exact non-rounded version? Well, what's sine 60? Think back to your special triangles. You have 60, 30, root 3, 2, 1. So what is the sine of 60? The sine of 60 is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 12 times root 3 over 2, which is, when simplified, 6 root 3.